Let's talk about pronouns. In English, pronouns are I, you, he, she, they, we, it. Those are pronouns. And when we talk about someone else, we use their pronouns. This is he or she or they. So I might say, he likes movies, or she likes movies, or they like movies. This can be tricky because if one person uses they, you still have to use it like you're talking about multiple people. It's not they likes, it's they like. It's not they reads, it's they read. You would say he reads a book or she reads the newspaper, but you would say they read the sign. Now, when we meet people, we ask, what are your pronouns? That's important because then we know how to talk about them in sentences. My pronouns are they, them. I like you to use they when you're talking about me because that makes me feel comfortable and happy and good. And when you use she or he to talk about me, that makes me feel uncomfortable and bad. So you should use they when you talk about me. What should I use when I talk about you? What are your pronouns?